Hai, Assalamualaikum semua. Apa khabar? We are back with the second part of verbs used from a drama clip due to many requests from you, fan of Malay language. Yay! We will still continue with the same drama titled Asam Pedas untuk dia. Asam pedas for him. You can go to the link above or in the description to watch the drama. Now, before we proceed, please don't forget that I still offer classes for conversational Malay, and you may sign up here at linktree/ilearnmalay. You can check the preferred day and time and also watch a sample of my class with one of the students. Remember, when you practice speaking every single day, you will be fluent in no time. Take this opportunity to learn from a Malay native speaker. See you in class. Now let's go to the verbs. It is a short video and I hope you enjoy the lesson. Basuh ikan. Basuh ikan. Clean the fish. Potong bawang. Potong bawang. Cut the onion. Tumbuk bahan-bahan. Tumbuk bahan-bahan. Mash the ingredients. Hidupkan api. Hidupkan api. Turn on the stove. Tuangkan minyak. Tuangkan minyak. Pour the oil. Tumis bahan-bahan. Tumis bahan-bahan. Stir fry the ingredients. Masukkan cili kisar. Masukkan cili kisar. Add in the blended chili. Tambah air. Tambah air. Add the water. Kacau. Kacau. Stir. Masukkan ikan. Masukkan ikan. Add in the fish. Masukkan sayur. Masukkan sayur. Add in the vegetables. Asam pedas dah siap. Asam pedas dah siap. Asam pedas is done. Tiup. Tiup. Blow. Rasa kuah. Rasa kuah. Taste the gravy. Sedap. Yum, delicious. Here is the summary of the verbs. We have reached the end of the lesson. Don't forget to help the channel grow by doing the following. Terima kasih sangat-sangat. And until next time, sampai jumpa lagi.